Hey, Dr. Islam here. Have you registered for my workshop coming up on November 15th? Get your life back, GERD be gone? This is a short live evening Zoom session where I'll go through my steps to grind up that GERD, to get your life back, and to make your GERD go away. If you're tired of dealing with heartburn, regurgitation, trouble swallowing, just not being able to sleep at night, or if you're worried about the long-term side effects of some of the acid medications you may be on, join me on November 15th at 6:30 p.m. We'll discuss everything you need to know about acid reflux and heartburn. If you or someone you know suffers from these symptoms, or are tired of these restrictive diets, or don't want to keep on popping pills, laying up at night, trying to do whatever you can to manage your heartburn and not getting a good response, then this live course is for you. Don't forget to register for my GERD Be Gone workshop so we can delve into reasons as to why you're having these symptoms, but also more importantly, what I recommend as a GI specialist to get rid of reflux. And for everyone who attends the live workshop, you're gonna get my ebook free, GERD Be Gone, where I go into details, step by step, of what I recommend to help control your reflux, to go over all the questions you guys may have, and to give you my integrative approach to eliminate your acid reflux. I'll be answering all your questions live on November 15th at 6:30 p.m. So if you're tired of the reflux, are you tired of the burning, all the other issues associated with that, are you tired of just popping pills, this course and workshop is for you. I want you to register. Click the link down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on November 15th.